Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point, the Toyota 1.8 hybrid 2ZR-FXE engine is a highly significant and widely used powertrain, famous for its role in the Toyota Prius, Corolla hybrid, Lexus CT200H, and other hybrid models. It's renowned for its exceptional fuel efficiency and Toyota's hallmark reliability. Review and opinions. Overall, the 2ZR-FXE is considered a bulletproof engine, especially when paired with Toyota's hybrid synergy drive, HSD. Owners and mechanics frequently praise its longevity, low running costs, and impressive real-world fuel economy. Performance. While not a powerhouse, it delivers adequate performance for daily driving. The electric motor provides instant torque for smooth acceleration from standstill, compensating for the Atkinson cycle engine's lower low-end torque. It offers a comfortable and quiet driving experience, especially in urban environments where it can often run on electric power alone. Reliability. This is arguably its strongest point. The 2ZR-FXE, as part of the HSD system, has fewer moving parts compared to conventional engines due to the lack of a traditional transmission, starter motor, or alternator. This reduces wear and tear. Many examples are known to last well beyond 400,000 kilometers, 250,000 miles, with proper maintenance. Advantages. Exceptional fuel economy. Designed specifically for hybrid applications and operating on the Atkinson cycle, the 2ZR-FXE achieves very high thermal efficiency, up to 38.5% or higher in later iterations. This results in outstanding fuel consumption figures, particularly in city driving. High reliability and durability. Backed by Toyota's extensive experience with hybrid technology, the 2ZR-FXE and its integrated hybrid system are incredibly robust. The electric motor assists the engine, reducing the load and wear on the internal combustion components. Regenerative braking also reduces wear on physical brake components. Smooth and quiet operation. The seamless transition between electric and gasoline power and the ability to operate purely on electricity at low speeds contributes to a very refined and quiet driving experience. Lower emissions. Hybrid technology naturally leads to reduced tailpipe emissions, especially CO2, making it an environmentally friendlier choice. Reduced maintenance on ancillaries. Components like the starter motor and alternator are replaced by the motor generators, MG1 and MG2, within the hybrid transaxle, eliminating potential failure points and maintenance items. Disadvantages. Moderate power output. While sufficient, it's not a performance engine. Drivers seeking strong acceleration or a sporty feel might find it underwhelming when pushing hard. Rubber band effect, CVT, the ECVT, electronically controlled continuously variable transmission, can sometimes exhibit a rubber band effect where engine RPM doesn't directly correlate with road speed during hard acceleration, which some drivers find less engaging. Complexity for repairs. While reliable, if a major component within the hybrid system or engine does require specialized repair, it can be more complex and potentially more expensive than a conventional car, requiring specialized diagnostic tools and training. EGR system and head gasket. Older models/generations. While overall reliable, the 2ZR-FXE, particularly in older generations, e.g., 3rd Gen Prius, 2010 to 2015, has a known susceptibility to head gasket failure and EGR system clogging. This isn't a universal issue for all models/years, but it's the most common significant fault reported. The EGR cooler can get clogged with carbon deposits, leading to poor cooling and stress on the head gasket. Faults and breakdowns. The most notable and relatively common issue for the 2ZR-FXE, particularly in its earlier iterations found in the 3rd generation Prius, 2010 to 2015, is head gasket failure, often linked to a clogged EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, cooler and/or intake manifold carbon buildup. A clogged EGR cooler can prevent exhaust gases from cooling properly, leading to localized overheating around cylinder 4, which can warp the cylinder head and cause the head gasket to fail. Symptoms include rough, cold starts, coolant loss, without visible leaks, white smoke from the exhaust, and a check engine light, P0301, P0304 for misfires. Regular EGR system cleaning, preventative maintenance, is often recommended to mitigate this. Water pump leaks/failure. While an electric water pump is used, it can still be a point of failure, leading to overheating if not addressed. Oil consumption. Less common, some owners report mild oil consumption, but it's generally not as widespread or severe as in some other engine designs. Hybrid battery degradation. While not an engine fault, the hybrid battery, typically NIMH in older models, has a finite lifespan and will eventually require replacement, which can be a significant cost. Newer models often use lithium-ion batteries with improved longevity. It's crucial to understand that even with these known issues, the 2ZR-FXE's overall reliability record is exceptional, and many vehicles equipped with it achieve very high mileage without major problems, especially with good maintenance. Fuel consumption. Outstanding. This is a key selling point. Exact figures vary by vehicle and generation, but here are general expectations. Toyota Prius 3RD/4TH Gen often achieves combined fuel economy in the range of 4.0 to 4.5 L/100 km, 52 to 58 mpg US, or even higher in optimal conditions. Toyota Corolla Hybrid/Lexus CT200H, similar excellent figures, typically in the 4.5 to 5.5 L/100 km, 43 to 52 mpg US, range combined. Timing. The Toyota 1.8 hybrid 2ZR-FXE engine uses a timing chain. This is a durable component designed to last the life of the engine and typically does not require scheduled replacement, unlike a timing belt. This contributes to lower long-term maintenance costs. Oil. Viscosity. Toyota typically recommends SAE 0W20 for the 2ZR-FXE. Some later models or specific regions might allow or recommend 0W16 for even greater efficiency. Capacity. Approximately 4.2 to 4.4 quarts, 4.0 to 4.2 liters, with a filter change. Recommendations. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise and most up-to-date oil specifications and capacity. Use high-quality full synthetic oil that meets API SN Plus or SP and ILSAC GF 6A standards. Given the head gasket and EGR concerns on some models, some owners opt for shorter oil change intervals, e.g., 5,000 miles per 8,000 kilometers, than the factory-recommended 10,000 miles to ensure optimal engine cleanliness and lubrication. Versions. The 2ZR-FXE designation is specific to the 1.8 hybrid application. 2ZR engine family, 1.8-liter displacement. F. Narrow-angle DOHC, double overhead camshaft. X. Denotes an Atkinson cycle engine for hybrid applications, achieving higher thermal efficiency at the expense of peak power. E. Electronic fuel injection. While the core 2ZR-FXE design has remained consistent, there have been subtle revisions and generations. Third generation Prius, 2009 to 2015, this was the first major application of the 2ZR-FXE. It had a compression ratio of 13.0 to 1. Fourth generation Prius, 2015 to 2022, / newer Corolla / C-Char hybrids. While still called 2ZR-FXE, this generation received significant refinements as part of the TNGA platform. These updates included a slightly higher thermal efficiency, often cited at 40% or more, improved cooling passages, and a redesigned exhaust heat recovery system. The compression ratio remained high. Lexus CT200H uses a version of the 2ZR-FXE similar to the earlier Prius. The key across all versions is its integration with Toyota's hybrid synergy drive, HSD, system, which combines the gasoline engine, two motor generators, MG1 and MG2, and a planetary gear set acting as an ECVT. History. The 2ZR-FXE engine debuted with the third-generation Toyota Prius, ZVW30, which was launched in May 2009. It replaced the smaller 1.5 2ZR-FXE engine used in the second-generation Prius, providing more power and allowing for better high-speed fuel efficiency. Its introduction was a critical step in solidifying Toyota's leadership in hybrid technology. The 2ZR-FXE, combined with the refined hybrid synergy drive, enabled the Prius and subsequent models like the Corolla Hybrid and Lexus CT200H to achieve remarkable fuel economy figures and set new benchmarks for hybrid vehicle performance and reliability globally. It remains a foundational engine in Toyota's hybrid portfolio. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.